Ezekiel.
Ezekiel is muted, yes. Bautista. What? Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Is that working?
Yes.
Yep.
All right. So we have a little bit of a chat from our end, and then we'll switch into a trivia thing that we're hosting. So first of all, so I'm with the UFFSA, and thank you so much to Click for this opportunity. This is my third meeting, and I'd like to say that this has been a very eye-opening experience for me. I've never met anyone from Mindanao before, and it was nice to see like learners from there. I also really appreciate like the previous performance. That was a really great thing. And yeah, I'd like to hand it off to the rest of us who will introduce ourselves.
Ezek.
Okay. From our PLMs, students, orgs.
We have
Ayan.
Mia
Mute
going next. I
yourselves.
think she might be muted.
Yan.
Marami pa kami.
Yeah, there are many still muted.
I'm doing you can unmute yourself.
Opo.
Yeah,
Okay, there.
Jason, Max,
We have some new
Riona.
people because I remember we met last time Mia, we met Max, we met Liam, but I see some new names.
Hello,
Brian.
ma'am. Morning. Thank you, Ma'am Rose.
Hello. Ayan. Patrick, Shaina, and
Yeah,
Jason. Ayan. And Riona.
yeah.
Able to unmute.
Wait, we should only unmute the ones from Florida because I think some of our local ones are speaking at the same
So,
time.
yeah. How come they're not being unmuted?
Good morning, Ma'am Rose. Take the ask to unmute, but I cannot unmute them all.
Can you just unmute everyone and we'll just request the locals not to.
Okay.
Kasi para tapos na eh. Okay.
Yes. Basta
Glenn, do they have to request to unmute or hindi na?
I think
There, I see Liam, Shaina are in now.
Yeah, Max,
Chadrick.
Jason. Ayan, I think you're good na.
Yeah, except Juliana and Brian are still muted.
the learners, can you please mute?
Learners,
Na-unmute. Yes po.
go ahead. Unmuted na kayo, the PhilAms, our FSA friends, kaibigans. Go ahead. Thank you for joining us. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Ma'am Rose.
Christmas.
Merry first Dick. Ria?
Ako na pa.
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Can our local learners please mute?
Okay, so our kaibigans from Florida can speak. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you're the future nurse, di ba?
Oh, yes po. I am the future nurse.
Yeah.
Okay po. Ako po si Mia Hernandez. Parte din po ako ng UFSA at ito na rin po ang pangatlong meeting ko sa Click. Natutuwa po akong maging bahagi ng isang organisasyon na nakakatulong sa napakaraming tao upang maabot ang kanilang mga pangarap.
Okay, how about Brian? Brian?
Yes. Hi, I'm Brian. And I'm also with UFFSA. This is my second meeting. And I also wanted to say thank you for this opportunity as it allows me to better learn about Filipino outreach and helping the overall community.
Very good, very good. How about Chadrick? Chadrick.
I think we're
Come
gonna
on,
go in
Chadrick.
order. Wait, do you hear me?
Okay, who else?
Okay.
Go,
I think-
Chadrick.
No, I think
No,
they have
someone else
an
go.
order. They have an order, I think.
Yeah, Shaina, you
Okay.
go.
Okay.
Hello po, ako po si Shaina Palaw na taga Manila. Estudyante po ako sa De La Salle University, Manila. Ito po ang
Yeah.
aking unang meeting kasama ang clique at nais ko po makilala kayo lahat.
Yay! Hi, Shaina. So you're our first kaibigan from the Philippines, would you believe? I mean, from a university in the Philippines. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Shaina.
Hi, magandang araw po sa lahat at magandang gabi po sa iba. Ako po si Rio Nakabisudo at nag-aaral naman po ako sa Ateneo de Manila University. At first meeting ko din po sa clique at lubos po ako nagpapasalamat sa pagkakataon makita ang lahat.
Yeah, nice. Nice to meet you.
There you go.
Hi, can you guys hear me?
Yes?
Liam.
All right, that is good. Hi, I'm Liam. I'm part of UFFSA, and this is my third overall meeting, joining here on Zoom. And I just want to say, like everyone, I'm very grateful that I have like the opportunity to meet with all these communities and all these people. It's been really inspiring. Thank you.
Thank you, Liam.
Thank you, Liam.
Hi everyone. I'm Max Skelton and I'm part of UFFSA. So this is my third meeting and I'm very thankful that you guys let me attend because I want to connect like closer to half of my blood, I guess, of Filipino culture and just get closer with it. But thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Max.
Hello everyone, I'm Hayden. I'm also with UFFSA. This is my second overall meeting, and I also wanted to say thank you for this amazing opportunity.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next,
Hello.
Juliana.
Hello, my name is Juliana Delgado, and I'm with UFFSA. This is my first meeting, and I'm so excited to be part of this amazing organization. I was actually born in Zamboanga City, so I'm also excited
Oh,
to be on.
oh, wonderful. Yeah.
Hello.
Thanks, Juliana. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Musta po?
Hello.
Kumusta,
maligayang
Jason?
Pasko.
Maligayang
Ako po si
Pasko.
Jason at ako po si Jason at member ako ng UFFSA. Nakitira ako sa Florida pero ngayon nasa Manila on vacation.
Ah, okay.
Po.
Mas break na ba?
Po, Christmas break na. Ito po yung pangalawang meeting ko ng clique at excited ako magpakita sa mga clique learners. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jason.
Hi, my name is Chadrick, and I'm also part of the UFFSA here at Florida. And like my name is similar to an actor's, and I'm also very thankful for this opportunity. And I like the performances. Thank you.
Thank you, Chadrick. Yeah.
So we here in the Filipino American community would like to wish all learners and all the other sponsors a very Merry Christmas and also just a general holiday season as well.
Thank you. Thank you, Zeke.
Thank you, Zeke.
Yeah. I just have one. Can I insert one question, Emmer, before we proceed?
Yeah.
Question ko na. The two ladies, young ladies who introduced themselves from DLSU and Ateneo, do you mean you are enrolled here physically in the Philippines or you are now enrolled at University of Florida?
Enrolled dito sa Philippines.
Ah, oh, great.
Animo.
So, how did you find out about us? That's
The
great.
University of Florida.
Through the connection of US. Okay. Sige. Okay, I was just curious because baka we can also touch base with those who come to the Philippines. We can meet you. Sige. Oops. Mag-mute yung mga local learners.
Yes, that's so exciting, no? Thank you, Zeke and FSA, for bringing to us new kaibigans, and also the ones from the Philippines. We hope to connect with you later, no? So maybe we can really establish some kind of also kaibigan partnerships. We call them kaakbay, kaakbays from the Philippines, from Ateneo and LaSalle, diba? Because the student organizations, you're always looking for things to do, for activities. And we really want to develop stronger partnerships, click me partnerships with student organizations all over the Philippines and all over the US. So sana you can be the pioneering partners for us to make that happen, no? Especially for future communities. Yeah, exciting.
Very
Okay.
good, very good, very good.
And we also have
Yeah.
a trivia game as well. Are we doing that right now, or is that later on?
Yeah. Yes.
All right.
Let's go.
So we have a trivia style game. All right. So we'll be asking various questions, and then whenever you have the answer, you can chime in either over chat or by unmuting your own mic. And Mia can translate these instructions into Tagalog.
Hi po. So, gumawa po kami ng isang trivia style na laro kung saan kami ay magtatanong ng iba't ibang mga katanungan, at kung meron na po kayong sagot, ilagay lang po sa chat o mag-unmute lang po para sumagot. Okay. So, pwede po kami mag-start?
Yes. I think
Okay.
the chat is best because if you ask to unmute, oh my God, it's gonna be
Oo
crazy.
nga po.
The chat,
Good.
ha? So we'll have
Opo.
Glenn and Mara also helping Marshall, who's the winner. Okay, go ahead.
Okay
Mia.
po. So, ang unang tanong po ay, ano po ang ibig sabihin ng KKK?
KKK.
KKK.
Oh, somebody said me. Richelle?
Sige po, tita.
Ganun ba? Magsasabi sila ng me?
Yes
Before
po.
they type the... Okay, sige. But someone else answered.
Sige, Richelle,
Yun.
i-type mo na.
Ano po? Kataas-taasan, kapitag-pitagang kalayaan.
That's correct.
No.
No po.
Okay, next. Learners, wag nyo kasing itatype. Malalaman nung iba. Magtatawag na lang. Danica.
Pag me lang. And then wait.
Danica, anong sagot mo po? Danica, type mo na. Danica, anong sagot mo?
Anong ibig sabihin ng KKK, Danica?
Wala.
Wala.
Hindi kaya today. Shane, ng Pandi. I-type mo ang sagot mo. Ito na. Meron na si Danica. So sabi ni Danica. Sabi ni Danica, Mia, kataas-taasang kagalang-galangan ng Katipunan. Is that correct?
Meron pa po sa huli.
Kulang, Danica. Habol pa.
Meron pa po.
Dagdagan mo daw.
Lang pa daw.
Si Danica lang muna. Sige, bibilang lang ha. 1, 2, 3. Wala na. Next na ulit. Sir Berlin. Berlin
Herrera.
There, I saw one that looked correct. Dumaan na.
Sige, tita, sino po?
Teka, nag-scroll na. Ang dami nang nag-scroll. Teka, pero dun sa taas, may nakita ako. There. Jamaica Fat of Sagbayan. If you could check, Mia, is this right? Kataas-taasan, kagalang-galangan ng Katipunan ng mga anak ng bayan.
Apa, that is right.
Yeah, that's right. So it's Jamaica or Jamaica of Sagbayan.
Sige po, noted si Jamaica.
Okay. So anong rule, Mara? Dapat mag-me lang muna sila,
Opo,
no?
Tita
Don't
Me
type
lang
the
muna.
answer. Don't type the
Like,
answer.
Apo.
Okay.
First, type the answer na lang under the line, paunahan. Wag na me kasi puro me sasagot niyan. You're gonna call them.
Oh, sige.
Ako sino na lang unang makatype ng tamang sagot?
Tama, oh, sige.
Under the line. Kung sino mauna under the line, siya yun.
Ako na lang magla-line, Mia.
Okay, go.
Next.
Okay, may ibang pong mag-unmute.
Sino?
Iba ang mag-unmute. Okay.
Ang susunod po na tanong ay, sino ang bayaning nanalo sa labanan sa Mactan?
Yaning nanalo sa labanan sa Mactan. Okay, wala pang lines ha? Teka lang.
Nagka-type na.
Ito na. Oh. Hello.
Okay, ay. Parang si Aisel. After the line. Wait.
After line. Si
Pagkatapos ng line, Mayen Surban of
Ay, hindi. Wala
Sagbayan.
pang sagot eh. Nag-ano lang siya.
Dapat sagot kaagad.
Sayang may MacArthur na sumagot under the line. Pero the next after Lapu-Lapu, si
Jonah. Jonah Humok of Loon.
Yes.
Okay.
Yan.
Instruction learners, magla-line muna sa Ate Mars. Tapos hindi me ang itatype kundi yung sagot na. Ang unang may sagot na tama under the line, yun yung panalo. May Gcash din to, Ate Mars, di ba?
Yes, 300.
Oh, di ba? O kaya makinig sa instruction, learners. Okay, next.
Next
question po. Mula kailan hanggang kailan ipinagdirawan ng Pilipinas ang Pasko?
Mula kailan hanggang
Mula
kailan?
Okay.
Mula nung sinauna. Pinagdiriwang ng mga Pilipino ang Pasko. Okay? Lines.
Ayan na, may line.
Mula kailan? 24 to 25, December 1 to
Di ba parang si Mayen Surban? Di ba tama yung sagot niya?
December
No.
September to December?
Yeah.
Tama ba, Jason?
Mali?
Opo, September to January.
Ay, mali.
January.
Ay,
yes.
January
Ano ng Pinoy?
Nakalagay na sa chat September to January.
Masyado mahaba yung January.
September to January.
To January, yes.
Si Divina.
Kala ko hanggang March.
Sobra na yun.
Alam mo naman ang Pinoy.
Pasko mo.
Kasi March pa lang nagtatanggal ng Christmas tree.
Tinamad.
Okay.
Okay.
Taking note of the winners, Mara.
Yes po.
Okay. Next.
Yes.
Meron pa ba?
Meron
Question
ba?
lang po. Ano ang
Okay.
pinakaunang anyo ng pagsusulat sa Pilipinas?
Pinakaunang anyo ng pagsusulat. Hindi yung Jejemon ha. Hey! Lines! Ready, go!
Napang line.
Tapa.
I saw Judy
Dami
Ann.
na.
Parang si Judy
Alibata.
Ann. Wait.
Alibata, ma'am. Alibata.
Alibata.
Pero hindi ka nag-line, Mara?
Line po ako. Pinta,
Ayun, yun.
baybayin.
Alibata po,
Baybayin.
ma'am.
What's the answer? Abakada. Mali, baybayin. Naku, hindi natin alam, Ate Rose.
Oo.
Hindi natin
Alibata
alam
ba o
yung tamang
baybay?
sagot.
Anong right answer, Riona?
Riona.
Bata or baybayin?
Baybayin ho.
Baybayin.
Baybayin.
Okay.
Oh.
Sinong nakaunang baybayin dito?
Payatan.
Atas.
Si Si Vivian Francisco,
Si
nakita ko.
Vivian Francisco.
Si
Pero
A-
from what country? Oh, from what country? What community? Vivian.
Ayata. Si Achas.
Ayata.
Si una. Achas Fernando.
Yes, from Payata.
Bye-bye. Okay. Very interesting yung pinta, ha? That's true. Body painting. Yeah. Interesting.
Next na, meron pa po.
Galing.
Opo. Next question po. Sino ang pambansang bayani na sumulat ng noblemang Noli Me Tangere? At bago po i-answer mo yung question, si Brian po ito translate sa English.
Oh.
So, Brian.
Wala pang line. Sagot na kayo na sagot. Wala pang line. Wait lang.
Okay. In English,
Brian.
it's who is the national hero who wrote the novel Noli Me Tangere?
Yes.
Okay, learners. Sino ang bayaning sumulat ng Noli Me Tangere? Ups, wala
Say
pa.
again, Brian. Noli Me Tangere.
Tangere.
Say it.
In
Line.
English, touch me
So
not.
there's the line. There's the line. Teka. Sino kaya yung una?
There's the
Acel of Tatalon
Yeah.
is after the line.
Yep. The
Yes.
fifth one under the line.
Ay, taray, may full name pa. Yung iba.
Yeah, may protasyo pa.
Tatalon po, tita.
Pardon?
Tatalon?
Acel of Tatalon. Yes, of Tatalon.
Tama.
Magaling nyo Okay, yeah.
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 Next. Naku, nakakaano na tayo, nakaka 1-3 na tayo.
Learner, sayang yung sagot niyo pag hindi under the line. Kaya huwag niyo muna isagot.
Kaabono
Oo
kami
nga.
nito.
Okay.
Meron pa ba? FSA?
Opo,
We
meron
still
pa
have
po.
more questions? Okay.
Medyo mahaba po. Tapos, yung question. Okay.
Yung tanong? Okay.
Kailan naging unang opisyal na bansa sa Timog Silangang Asya ang Pilipinas na nagkaroon ng kalayaan mula sa kolonyal na paghahari? Sabihin po ang taon at mula sa...
Oh my gosh.
Tapos, my other future nurse po, Juliana, will say the English.
Okay. When did the Philippines officially become the first Southeast Asian nation to gain independence from colonial rule? Give the year and from what country?
Naku. Maglilib na ako dito.
Buti na
Glenn!
lang.
Yeah.
Napapagpawisan na si Cassandra. Gaya.
Okay. Wait lang. Year, no? And exact date, tama?
And from what country?
Year and from what country?
Okay. Wait lang. Wala pang line.
Google na, Google na.
Hong Kong.
Ayan na yung lines.
Okay, yan na yung line.
June,
June 12, 1898. Is that correct?
No po.
Iraw, mali. Mula sa Espanya, mali. January 3, 1899, Hong Kong. Saan galing yan, ha?
Si Quezon.
Tama yon, mali rin.
Mali po.
Mali rin.
Oh, mali rin. Ano pa?
There's an exciting so there's another country.
June 12, walang country eh. June 12, 1899, Hong Kong. Mali. Mali. Mali.
Malolos Bulacan.
12, 1898, Spain. Mali rin.
Ang hirap naman yan, Mia.
Hindi po ako yung
Clue naman, clue. Malolos Bulacan. Hindi.
Ibig sabihin,
Kami po yung clue.
Oh, sige.
May clue?
Florida.
Florida?
Florida.
USA?
From the US.
US daw,
But that
guys.
was July
June 12,
But that July 4?
June 12,
But that was the
America.
official.
June 12, O basta USA daw, tapos yung ano na lang, yung exact
Yung
date.
date na lang, yung date na lang. US.
July 4,
Yun!
1946.
Opo, opo.
July 4, 1946?
Tama po,
Opo.
tama.
USA.
I think the trick in the question is the first Southeast Asian nation. Kasi we were not Southeast Asia nung panahon ng Kastila. So I think that's the trick in the question. Kaya sabi ko,
Correct.
bakit hindi? Oo. So
Ang nabasa ko
1946.
po si Maria Irma Trinidad ng Tacloban. The United States recognized the Philippines' independence on July 4, 1946.
Yeah.
Okay. Ginugol.
Oh,
By
ginugol.
President Harry Truman.
Yon.
Oh,
Asian.
Okay.
Next.
Thank you. That's nice. Yeah.
At sa wakas, ang huling tanong ay, ano ang pinakamahabang ilog sa Pilipinas? What is the longest river in the Philippines?
Pinakamahabang ilog Pasig, guys.
Line.
Line.
Line. Pasig River ba? Hindi.
Hindi po.
Hindi
Bandang ano yan? Bandang north? Ilog ano?
Rio Grande, Cagayan?
Ang
Opo, Cagayan. Correct.
Tama.
correct ang Cagayan.
Rio Grande,
A,
Cagayan.
letter A? A ba? Letter A yung umpisa? Juliana? Mali.
Ano yung answer?
Letter A, Cagayan.
Cagayan na nga yung answer. Rio Grande, Cagayan.
Pero yung river, what is the river's name?
Cagayan River.
Cagayan.
Oh. Okay.
Shalimar yata nanalo. Rio
From-
Grande de Cagayan. Diba?
Yes. it
Pero,
happened.
Yeah.
Pero ang nauna ay saan na yung linya? Haba.
Shalimar Ablinar ng Zamboanga.
Yes.
ano pong
Kailan-
pangalan ulit?
Rio Grande, Cagayan.
Shalimar.
Alimar?
The winner.
Shalimar Abdilar from Zamboanga.
Okay. Yay! Last na yon.
Okay.
Or,
Thank you.
300.
They provided the prizes for this. Thank you, FSA, for your fundraising. Ayan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Funds. Thank you.
O next year may Click Me Quiz B. Ganon din, mga tanong.
Oh, miski tayo natututo eh.
Ay, oo. Yes, yes. Thank you.
May games pa tayo, Ate Rose, no?
Lana, ano na? Ay, si Hazel na lang yung last game natin.
Ay, last natin, Isa. Sige.
Pero before that, so thank you. Zeke, that's it. And anything else? Do you have anything else to add or?
None from us, but
that was
thank you so
fun.
much again for the opportunity. And yes, we will set up another like quiz bee. We
Yeah.
do some more fundraising, and then we'll be looking forward to the breakout rooms after this to talk a little bit more one-on-one with the learners as well.
Oh yeah, learners at the end, may breakout rooms kayo with our PhilAm. So nosebleed, yeah. Practice your English and they'll practice their Tagalog and you'll share about Christmas in your areas. Okay, so yes, ipopost ang mga winners later. Sa mga... Okay, Emmer.